Just wanted to come out and give you a picture of the new blue lights. I love them. The thing looks great at night. Now I'm gonna help you get that off. It's easy if you know what you're looking for. Stay tuned.
My 2011 Toyota Venza. How to fix it yourself. My 2011 Toyota Venza.
Okay, this is my 2011 Toyota Venza. Took me about an hour, but I finally figured out how to get it out. If you have one like this, I know there's another video where he shows how to put the bulb in, but he really did not show how to get it out, and I didn't understand it. So I had to go figure out what he did or what he used. Now, there's nothing wrong with this video. It was great. It helped me. But he had already had it out. And he didn't go back and show how he did it or what he used. So I'm using this tool right here. I have two of them right here. And basically what you do, okay, now, is you just want to go right to the lip of it right there and push that in. Pull it right there and just use that tool to push it in. And then pull that side down. Once it's down, go to the other side. I used two. I did them both at the same time. Once I saw it, just got it up in there, hooked it in, pushed them, pops right out. So that's what you got to do. Use this tool. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And just get up in there, push right there. So basically, go up in the lip, get it. You can pull it down some so you can see where you're going. Find it, push it in. That's how you get that off easy without breaking anything. And just because his video was so helpful, I'm going to link it at the bottom so you can see how to get the bulbs in and out. No point in me doing that since he already has that part. But I wanted to show you how to get that thing loose. It was a bear, but the bear has been conquered. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Yeah, that's that baby blue. More like midnight blue.